A year ago, the home goods thrift store ReStore in Corning was badly damaged by a fire. The building on State Route 414 was demolished in early February for reconstruction. Allison Hunt from Habitat for Humanity confirmed with Big Fox that after months of construction, the Corning ReStore is almost ready to reopen. They'll begin taking customers in early August, but aren't accepting in-person donations just yet. Hunt says a single soft reopening day is set for Saturday, August 3rd, where the ReStore will welcome customers as a test run before the official opening. Friday, August 9th, will be the official reopening back to ReStore's normal store hours. Delays with the contractor did set back the expected reopening as the community has been eager for its return. On social media, many locals like this woman mentioned they couldn't wait for the ReStore's reopening, commenting, "Congratulations on your progress. I am super excited and can't wait." Another said, quote, "So happy to hear about the new opening. Glad you are getting back in business. Thank you so much for the great service you offer at fair prices." Due to space issues, the Corning ReStore is not accepting donations just yet, but starting Wednesday, July 31st, they will begin scheduling donation pickups by calling 607-377-5524. Eventually, the ReStore will begin accepting drop-off donations again. Though an exact date hasn't been set, a grand opening will take place sometime in September. Sonia Ellison, Big Fox News, Corning.